Let's introduce the installation of the ATE400 sensor on the moving contact of circuit breaker. For installation, check that whether the group number of the sensor on label is same as the group number of receiver. Take two ROA pieces. Fold the ROA pieces in half through the center of the lock key. Use a tool to compress the ROA sheet through the two gaskets and the main body of the sensor. Place the sensor on the contact. The ROA sheet passes through the locking piece. Tighten the locking screw. Use a tool to handle the excess ROA sheet. The sensor is installed.